10th C. I guess only 8 students plus 1, 9 is there in the class. No issues. I have to start my class. Today's topic was regarding the pattern of questions which are coming in the board examination, right? And especially how to frame the answers. That is the most important part, which I have seen in 8th, 10th A, 10th B. They all were not able to solve. Okay. Now, there is one question I'm going to ask you. Just listen to me first, then you guess that whether you are capable to answer me or not. My question to you is that, give the critical appreciation of, where is your copy? Give the critical appreciation of Lütgens in the hack driver. Give the critical appreciation of Lütgens in the hack driver. Now, first of all, tell me one thing, whether you are able to understand the word critical appreciation. If yes, then also tell me. If no, then also tell me. Yes, Kushi. So, Kushi, what do you mean by critical appreciation? Then please switch on your mic and tell me. Rashi, no. Okay.
Ma'am, it is a type of poem which defined as critical reading of a poem. It does not mean
Beta, critical appreciation means poem.
No, ma'am.
मतलब क्या? बोर्ड में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बहुत आने वाले हैं. मतलब क्या? Do anyone know? आपने कभी ये वर्ड सुना है? Yes, ma'am. अरे बेटा मैं समझ रही हूँ, but I am asking you, what do you mean then? If you have heard, if you know, then tell me. Have you heard? अर्पित कभी आपने सुना है ये वर्ड? नहीं सुना. Okay. बट याद नहीं आ रहा है. वो होता है बेटा, अक्सर बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. Kushi, now listen to me very carefully that what we mean by critical appreciation. Critical appreciation means when you give your thought, when you mash up your thought, your views with the thoughts of the writer or the poet and express yourself, that is known as critical appreciation. That means, for example, आपको जब मैं पूछ रही हूं कि ओलिवर लुटकिंस का कैरेक्टर्स, गिव द क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ ओलिवर लुटकिंस इन द हैक ड्राइवर, तो आपको लिखना कैसे है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल इंट्रोड्यूस ओलिवर लुटकिन है कौन, राइट? दैट यू विल डिस्क्राइब अबाउट दैट ओलिवर लुटकिन कि ओलिवर लुटकिन इज सच काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर, ही इज सो एंड सो. नाउ ओलिवर लुटकिन का particular the hack driver में क्या रोल है? Who is Oliver Lütken? What is the role of Oliver Lütken? What work he did in Oliver the hack driver? क्या उसका काम था? इसको आपने डिस्क्राइब किया. Then you will give your views. वो तो राइटर बोल रहा है. अब आप अपनी सोच को राइटर के सोच के साथ फाइल करके आप अपनी सोच देंगे. You will give your own views. बोलेंगे कि ओलिवर लुटकिन was a very sharp kind of a person. He was very strategically, he was very sharp. He never let anyone enter into his own thoughts and views in deeds. तो ये आप अपना सोच देंगे. तो सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दैट कैरेक्टर. सेकेंड, यू विल जस्ट टेल मी द अबाउट द कैरेक्टर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी. उस कैरेक्टर का स्टोरी में क्या काम है, फिर आप बताएंगे आपकी सोच. योर व्यूज विद द राइटर्स व्यू हो जाता बनता है क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन. ना एम आई क्लियर कि अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया? क्लियर राशि? So if I ask you to write down the critical give all of you write down this question in your copy first. Tomorrow I will float. Tomorrow is a day of your English, right? So tomorrow what I will do is I will not float any sample question paper. I will give you 10 questions. I will float 10 questions, one question from one chapter. You have to frame your own answer. I request you all not to frame it from any Google or somewhere. Frame your own answers as I am telling you, as per the need of the question, and then just forward it in the class WhatsApp group only. जो class WhatsApp group बना है उसी में दे दीजिए. One question for one chapter. I will give total 10 questions. एक question एक chapter से. And that question will consist of 3 marks. तो उस हिसाब से आपको आंसर लिखना है. Right? I will give you one more question. Right now, you will write one question. That is, write it down. Give the critical appreciation of. Give. All of you write down, please, in your copies. Give the critical appreciation of Oliver Lutkyns. Oliver Lutkyns in The Hack Driver. I am writing the question on the board. Long to answer, right? Question number 1. I hope this is clear. Give the critical appreciation of Oliver Lutkyns in the Hack Driver. Means आपको बताना है. Give means I am talking to you, right? If I am the first person, I am talking to you. You are the second person, and about whom we are talking, that is the third person. तो मैं first person हूँ. मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. You are the second person, and about whom we are talking, that is the third person. So the language of the answer will be. You will first introduce the character. Answer will be introduce the character, the name.